Apparently, some growers entered into formal agreements with Kinyara Sugar Limited, which would support and facilitate sugarcane planting on individual lands in exchange for varying volumes of cane to recover expenses. However, the growers claim the company harvests their sugarcane, transports it to the factory, and processes it all without their consent.
With impunity being supported by the police. This happened to me when they came and harvested my sugar cane, measuring 9 hectares, without even requiring anybody to be there. Because when they inform me, I would know that they are going to harvest my sugar cane, and I would put there somebody. But by the time they came to tell me that they are harvesting my sugar cane, that time they had already started ferrying the sugar cane to their factory.
According to the farmers, this is a total disregard of their rights as plantation owners, upon which they subsequently demanded for government intervention to protect their rights and interests.
All we want from the Ministry of Trade is to adhere to its policy of liberalized economy and trade. We as farmers, this policy should also benefit us. We don't support monopoly in our crop.
Bakumara meza asatu wana bataka kusasuraga tuine bizibu tulolereire bikaido nka business.
Yambe tuina abana bakusoma tibaina baise babo. Ekitege kituluma. Tuina abana bakusoma, tuinaona bojo bagirina abadodinge bikaido. Tonka tuina mbali tugenda akora. Tonka mtu yame biyamba. Mutulekero munzani kwa itu tukole.
Mbona najiganyika sisi hivyo? Kwa hivyo no vote kama mjana wanatoka kwa mbele tu. Yangu ndio ya sasa.
According to Mahamudu Kazimbiraine, the chairman of Bunyoro Sugarcane Farmers Cooperative Union Limited, Kinyara Sugar Company not only reduces the volume of canes at their weighing bridges, but also takes an inordinate amount of time to pay the farmers their agreed upon financial entitlements.
Whatever shilling he gives you, as a he takes it as a loan.
The driver can tell you are a close friend that your role has produced 22 tons, but on the another cheat you find 15.
I myself, it was harvested on 10th February. Up to now, I haven't got any single coin.
Similarly, the younger loaders working with Kinyara Sugar Limited denounced what they called unfair working conditions, which they claim have led to their persistent poverty.
They told us that if you see Kinyara is paying less money, try to look for the place where you can get mats. Now again, these days Kinyara is complaining, and we have left there as where do they expect us to get money from?
However, some of the sources from the Uganda Police who preferred anonymity have informed UCTV that at the heart of the dispute lies an ill intention among the farmers who want to secretly sell canes entitled to the company to other millers contrary to their standing agreement. Multiple attempts to reach the management of Kinyara Sugar Limited for comment have been futile since their official contacts have not been available by press time.